Hi everyone, my name is Kayla Adams. Today is May 14th, 2020, and today I would like to present to you my selected topic, whitetail deer in the state of Missouri, for this environmental management course. So let's start by taking a look at what a whitetail deer is. They are referred to as whitetail because of their white tail. They have been estimated to have been in the United States for the last 4 million years, and scientists believe that they previously inhabited parts of the Arctic Circle. They're in the family Cervidae, which is the same family that you would find things like reindeer, moose, elk, and red deer in. They are in the order Artiodactyl. The historic natural predators were mountain lions and timber wolves, but both predators have had steep declines in populations. They played a vital role in deer population regulation. Whitetail deer are also sometimes referred to as Virginia deer and American deer. They are considered browsers, which means that they will eat leaves, twigs, berries, seeds, fungi, mosses, acorns, and more. Whitetail deer are found across the northeast, southeast, and central parts of the United States, but for this natural resource project, we will just be discussing the state of Missouri. In Missouri, there are 5 different habitat types. There is dissected till plains, Ozark highlands, western plains, till plains, and coastal plains. The different habitat types are important for understanding the resources available for white-tailed deer. A little bit of history about Missouri's whitetail. They were an important resource for Native Americans and early settlers. The harvested animals were used for meat, the hides were made for clothing, the antlers for arrows, and much more. By the 1900s, the deer populations were decimated by unregulated hunting, and according to the University of Missouri research, by 1925 there were only an estimated 400 deer in the entire state. So in an effort to recover this valuable resource, hunting was closed in the state from 1938 until 1943. Deer were stocked from Michigan and Wisconsin. All of these efforts contributed to the 15,000 deer that were present in the state in 1944, and this is when designated deer season resumed. Today, humans are the main predators of whitetail deer. According to the Missouri Department of Conservation records, deer hunting in the state of Missouri generates about $1.1 billion annually and supports over 12,000 jobs. Because Missouri's land is mostly privatized, the landowners are essentially the stewards of this natural resource with regulation input. The firearms portion of deer season occurs each year during the rut, which is the reproductive period where bucks are more likely to be harvested because of their drive to reproduce. There's a 3-factor approach to building bigger whitetail antlers, according to Jim Hefflinger. These are age, nutrition, and genetics. The peak antler growth is between 5 to 7 years, with regression shown after that. Does are known to start reproducing at 6 months of age, but typically have 2 fawns in later years. Based on studies completed, there is evidence that the fawn survival rate is between 33 and 68%. Finally, there are several policy concerns when it comes to the management of whitetail deer. They are currently listed as the #1 game species in Missouri. Hunting during the rut increases the chances of what is called a trophy or special buck. Any changes to whitetail deer management and hunting could result in a loss of revenue, which could lead to a loss of jobs. General public opposition for change or alternate regulation is also a concern. And finally, in recent years, there has been an increase in CWD positive cases in Missouri. CWD is known as chronic wasting disease. It is always a fatal disease that is slow to act, but transmits easily in deer populations through defecation, urination, and salivation. Over time, it can decrease deer populations. And here is a list of my references. I hope that this presentation provided information on white-tailed deer and their life strategies. I'm excited to share my adaptive management plan ideas with you this semester, and thanks for watching.